Okay, so I will start here. I start here, and I am doing trade continuously. If you observe market, you can trade confidently. I take a lot option. Why I take a lot option? Just see. Previously here market reverse buyer entry, and this candle broke here and already rejection. That's why I take lot option. Just see, huge rejection, and this is buyer area. It's breakout candlestick, and this candle reversal candlestick, retest candlestick. That's why I take lot option. Strong rejection after breakout. That's why I take lot option. So first trade I win here. So why I take higher option? Lot option here. Just see, it's buyer area. That's when this line work as a support and resistance board. And this is breakout candlestick, and it's retest candlestick, and then market go down. So next pair. I take a lot option. I take a lot option. Just see, it's our buyer area, and it's buyer area, and just see seller entry, again seller entry, and in this candle I saw very strong seller. Just see, no weakness in the seller. That's why I take a lot option. And next buyer area is here. See, very strong seller entry. But I lost. No problem. And I give you some important information here. If you lost one trade, you cannot trade again and again in the same pair. Because if you want to try PDX next candle, it's very emotional, and you cannot control your emotion. You lost your money. It's better you just change the pair, and you change and do trade others pair. Just see. So I take a lot option. Just see, very strong seller movement, and it's seller area. That's why I take lot option. I take another lot option. It's very simple entry. Never do over analysis. Just see, there's seller entry, again seller entry, and it's close in this area again. Okay, I win this trade. Never do over analysis. So here AUDUSD, যাও আমি আসতেছি, যাও আসতেছি, ভাত খায় যাব। Just see again strong seller entry. শয়তানি করতেছে। Just see I take again lot option here. Just see again very strong seller entry and next buyer entry point is here. And just see how strong seller move. Okay, just see why I take here lot option. Just see it's broke this trend line and continuously strong seller entry and next reversal point is there, so I take lot option. As you can see it's uptrend, but market here make downtrend and okay আমি আসতেছি, যাও। And this type of shape of candlestick very risky. Why I just trail. It's uptrend. Okay, just see it's better take her option. Okay, little bit okay, it's good. I take her option. Why? Just see here market broke this level and previously strong buyer, weak seller, again strong buyer, so this candle make a doji candlestick and it's uptrend. That's why I take her option and I take trade with margin of safety. So no problem. I take a lot option. Why? Just simply just see in this line when market keep red candle, it's going very strongly down, again strongly down, so after breakout we see again red candle, that's mean seller become stronger and it will go more down. But first here I was thinking it will go up because in this area I see strong candle breakout. I was thinking it will make doji candlestick, it's crossed this level, but my prediction was wrong. No problem, but I see another changes here. If you lost, no problem, but analyze market. Just see. I'll trade on the next candle trading. Okay, I take higher option. Just see, market make here range so many candle. Okay, so it's make range from this level and all rejection from this area, and this candle broke this range area. That's why I take higher option. Just see, it's X candle, this candle close above this point. That's why I take same area as a higher option. Just see, I take a lot option. No need to analyze here, cause many people think it will reverse. Actually no, cause after red candle we see some weak candlestick, but still we don't see any buyer. If you see this type of situation, don't trade higher option. It's falling down, even you lost. Just see, it's moving down, 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 but no buyer candle. That's mean no buyer are interested. You must take lot option. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Okay. Okay, I take a lot option. Why I just explain. So here market go down and rejection, used rejection, but still same thing, previous history, still not see any buyer, and it's just a doji candlestick. That's means selling pressure here to here, and next reversal point is here. So seller definitely continue this level. So I take 9 trade. First one I take here lower option. Just I explain it's buyer area, this candle broke, this is retest candle, it's go down, and I want to trade here lower option after this red candle because it's very strong seller entry. I was thinking it will continue, but market make here one green candle, then it will go down, so no problem. But if you lost one trade and this pair, many people they think it will go down, you take lot option, it will up, and you lost how many trade. If you lost one trade, you just change your pair and do trade others pair, then you can trade confidently. So here I take lot option. Just see here seller entry, and it's close in this seller area. I take again lot option, I got win. Here I take lot option just because this trend line break and continuously just see market going down, and next reversal point is here, that's why I take lot option. Here I take higher option just because I was thinking it's uptrend, and here market go down, and after this seller area here is strong candle broke this level. I was thinking it will go up, but it go down. Then I change my algorithm. I follow here touching and seller move good, touching seller move good. So I can expect again seller entry at last after this candle. Okay, and then I win this trade. Then here I take higher option just because here market make range, and this candle broke this level and it's made a new high. And here I take lot option. Just see it's strongly down and no in between, no buyer. That's why I take lot option. And same thing here. Just see no buyer in this area. Just see little bit reduction. Just you don't think it will go up. That's why it go down. Okay. So just showing this result. Okay, it's now I start here. Okay, just see, and I got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 trade. I lost 2 trade. Okay, after this trade I recover here, after this trade I recover and I love. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. I want to arrange a special session for my group member. If you interested in join my class, just contact me within my Telegram account. Okay, so thank you for watching my video.